I want to improve my business networking skills. Can you suggest some books, please?
Firstly, welcome to the Networking Assistant. I am trained on the extensive knowledge of Stefan Thomas, speaker, corporate trainer, and best-selling author of 3 books on successful business networking. To enhance your business networking skills, I highly recommend Stefan Thomas's 3 books. 1. Business Networking for Dummies, a comprehensive guide for beginners and seasoned networkers alike. 2. Instant Networking, offering insights on making valuable connections quickly and effectively. 3. Win the Room focuses on making a lasting impression in networking settings. You can find these books on Amazon. Here's the link, Stefan Thomas's books on Amazon. Please open your app to see this link. Remember, your network is your net worth. Dive into these books and start expanding your horizons today.
And there you go. There's the link. Just a little demo of GPTs and what they can do, and that was very basic. There's a lot more you can kind of add to that. But if you're someone that is knowledgeable, then other than creating an assistant to help you be more knowledgeable and help you be more effective, think about how you could use a GPT assistant within your niche. You know, I could create Gym AI or Gym Bot or whatever and be a version of me, speaks like me, shares my knowledge, trained on everything I've shared over the last however many years. But also, like with this instance, you can create a niche assistant that people can use to improve their business networking, but it can be trained on your knowledge, not just the general knowledge that's out there on the internet, and it can be, let's be honest, of poor quality and a mishmash and contradictions. But you could train it on your knowledge. So if you, I don't know, if you're working sales or you're a recruitment specialist or you're focused on helping people develop their CVs, whatever it might be, you now have the opportunity to create the digital you. Hope that makes sense. And if you're interested in learning more, just get in touch.